Hi guys, so today we are doing a triptych. This is a collab that I'm doing with TSR Creations. Tina picked the colors and we agreed on doing a Dutch pour. I am putting the link to her channel down below in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. Her channel, her video, I'm going to try to link it up above so you guys can check that out. I'm not sure if I can do that. We're doing research on that. But anyway, so all of these colors that I'm using, I went ahead and put them in the beginning as I laid them down the first time. I did have to mix and fine-tune to get the colors that I wanted. We got some golden high flow in the pink. The pink is also Liquitex Basics, but I have all of that stuff in the description box below. The navy, we have some Arteza fancy black in there. We have some Amsterdam blue violet, and we also have I mixed some stuff to make some stuff, but I mean, these colors turned out amazing. I put in the bronze that I'm using is a new color that I got, and I am absolutely in love with that bronze, so very excited about the outcome. And I'm using two different cameras today, so we have different angles going on. I will say that the triptych is no joke, people. Let me just tell you. I would say from the start of this painting, from mixing the paints, you know, the base colors to, you know, the paint that we laid down for the actual Dutch pour, it took about 2 hours. So this 6-minute long video that you guys are seeing, yeah, this looks like a piece of cake, but I put in some work for you guys. Anyways, but definitely go check out Tina's channel and her collab video. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed doing this. And the colors she picked for me, just, I love it. Had a lot of fun. And look at this, we got some slow motion, seeing the paint flow, seeing all these colors. It's just amazing. I love it. The paint definitely flows better on the white. I'm still working on having the darker base colors flow. That's one of my weak points for sure. But you know, you get better as you go along. So, but I ended up getting some cells even though we did not use silicone, which is surprising to me. I don't know if maybe it's because I used some golden high flow, which was new to me. Here I am using my trusty air mattress blower. I like it better than a straw because it's a little more forceful than a straw, but it's not as much as a blow dryer, so it gets in the little details. But I didn't want to blow too much because I was pretty happy with the initial blowout, but I just wanted to break it up just a tad. But yes, I do love my little blower. I use it a lot. Now when you're doing a triptych or a diptych, after you're done, you want to make sure you separate those canvases. You want to let the paint flow off the canvases, how it's going to flow, let it do its thing, And now on mine, it did flow off the side of the one, and we'll see that in the dry reveal. So it did warp just a tad, but it actually added to the coolness factor, I guess. But I mean, look at these colors, and it's just absolutely amazing. Just everything just flowed so well together. Absolutely, Tina picked some awesome colors. Then the cells are just amazing. They're teeny tiny, but they're there. No silicone was used. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. We have a lot of fun over there. Chatting and, you know, all that fun stuff. Have a great day.